Good morning, welcome to a new video. It's actually afternoon. We're doing IBIZA prep. I decided to make this video because I love watching them, and why wouldn't you want to create something that you love watching? One thing that I did find while watching other people's videos is that everybody was of a certain size, and I think that someone of my size is quite underrepresented in the IBIZA prep slash what we're wearing slash IBIZA in general vibe. And I know how much it would have helped me when I was younger to see a video like this, so here we are. First things first, I'm getting my eyelashes and my eyebrows done. That's where I spent all my life late. I don't know how much of you this you can see. This is going to be so bright. But wait, I think they look really good. She always does such a good job. I'll put her link below if you're local. So my eyelashes have been lifted and tinted, and then my crazy brows sorted out. Good morning, happy Friday. I did literally no IBIZA prep at all yesterday. Today we're sorting out this guy, the cupboard of chaos. I have a box here that I'm going to put everything that I'm going to recycle in here. The reason I'm sorting it is because I want to know A, what we've got, like have we got insect repellent, have we got enough sun cream, is the after sun still full, do we need more deodorant, like all those questions are burning questions for me right now. So I'm going to take everything out and then organise it back into the cupboard with a shelf of stuff that is potentially coming with it. And that's it done. Let's take you out of your holster here. One, ignore the crutches, that's from when Mike's knee was done. Much more organised shelf. This is the stuff, these are Polish heartburn tablets. This is the stuff to go, so it's not really much. And then the shelves are like this, so we've got random bits and bobs. From there now I can accurately write my requirement list from Boots / Amazon, so I know exactly what we need and I'm not doubling up on anything. Happy Saturday. This morning, got my coffee. My computer's doing something big, so I can't really work on there for a minute. I'm going to sort my jewellery out because it was a big on the to-do list. Just a little overview. We've got a few bits and pieces hanging out in here. This is like my main travel jewellery case, but it's an absolute mess. It's got two sides, so then there's a load of stuff down here as well. I've got a few new bits and bobs. Plan is to get it all into this one, organised in its little homes. This is kind of what we've ended up with. This isn't actually everything that I've got. I'm definitely missing some pieces here. Now it's all into sections. I'm going to put it back in what I will wear. One of the problems I have is like this one, for example. I have edited it, so I have taken the end of the chain, so now it's just like a single dangly chain with nothing on either end. Pouch is now pretty much done. I'm about to change these earrings because, let me show you, they're relatively easy to get in and out using this bit here, but they've gone a bit discoloured, and so these ones from Coconut Lane, I think, lasted me all last holiday. They come on and off really easily. They're sea proof and sweat proof and sun cream proof and everything proof. Going to put those in as my everyday ones. So these are my favourite like day ones. The other three I will probably pretty much leave as is, especially the two. Maybe I'll change them because I have these ones here, for example, which go into two holes. That's pretty much it. Good morning. It is Sunday today. My hair desperately needs washing, but I'm going to put a conditioner treatment on it later. Today, the plan is to sort the wardrobe. Just a little bit messy. There's a few bits and bobs that are spilling out. I need to do some washing. You say order hasn't arrived, which is really sad. So I don't know whether that might still arrive, but I'm going to pack with kind of the intention of it not arriving at this point. Take some stuff that I wouldn't have taken otherwise, and do a bit of trying on of a few bits, especially those bits that I'm not 100% sure about, because I'm not going to take them if I don't like them now, because then the likelihood of me liking them on holiday is also pretty low. What's going on back here? What's going on back here? Do you know how cute you are? I've got to a certain point where Mabel's in the suitcase where I have got the dresses that I definitely am taking, and then there's space for 4 more dresses, evening dresses, 4 more evening dresses that would have been the 4 that are supposed to be coming, but I need to pick from this pile here. I don't know if you can see this like little bit that's hanging. That's the stuff that I've got out to not try on, but like I just got all potential could come with me out, and I'm going to try a couple on now, see what I think, and go from there. So this is one of them. Now it's very see-through, obviously, but because I haven't been on a beach or anything for a while, it feels like there's a lot on show. No, you'll click it. You're going to click it. Anyway, I'm putting this in. This is another very similar one. I have another one of this shape actually that's not see-through. Again, I really like this, but I might ask Mike's opinion on it. He's going to say that it's too see-through. I know. So, weighs nothing. So light, so I don't know whether just to take it anyway. This one has been in my wardrobe for years. I don't know if it's just a little bit too short. I would describe as one of my go-to holiday tops. I always take it. So, you know when you've just worn something so much on holiday, you're kind of over it. That's how I feel about this one. The skirt is ridiculous, it doesn't sit right. What even is that? But I do like the top, so this is also going to go in the maybe pile with this one. The problem is it's long sleeved. Alexa, what's the temperature going to be tonight in Ibiza? So effectively it's going to be 18 degrees. And I just don't know if this is the right thing to wear for 18 degrees. I do love this dress though, which although I love, I think is too wedding-y. This is why I pre-pack then pack, because it all just feels very chaotic. And I hate feeling chaotic like on the last day. So I'd rather get the chaotic feeling gone and out of the way. I just paused the time lapse to check on the order and it says arrived at local facility. So that means there's a chance it's gonna get here. Bye! Washing load 1 of 3 going in. Good morning. I'm about to put the hair mask on my hair because I did not do it yesterday. I think I'm going to use this one. I just put it on my hair and leave it on for like a couple of hours. It could end up with a slight blue tinge at the end. That is a deep possibility, but it washes out in a couple of days. And I'm going to be washing it every day on holiday. This just injects some moisture and gets it looking nice and fresh. Put my favourite face mask on. It's nearly ready to come off at this stage. I've never done it with that conditioner before and it has very slightly gone blue. Let me find you a bit that's really blue. Like here, look. But that's like the worst bit. But it feels soft, it feels healthy, and that blue won't stay. That blue will go within a couple of washes, I'd say, maybe even the next wash. Doesn't it look healthy and shiny though? It's here! I'm so happy! Let's just do a quick sunglasses try on. I kind of got them so that both Mike and I can wear them. I really like these because they're polarised. But what do we think? Not sure if they're a vibe for me, but they'll look good on mic, I think. Oh, oh, I love those. If you watch a Lanzarote vlog, I tried some of these. I think they were Dior, maybe. Yeah, I think they were Dior glasses that were like this, and I literally regret not getting them so much. I think these are a great dupe option, don't you? And then last but not least, which is supposed to be level, I don't know what level they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be like high protection, but they don't look it. And these are beach ones because they're moulded. And they're so 70s. I love them. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. We leave in the morning. So it's like final day of prep. And today's going to be like the big day of prep. This is when most stuff gets done. I put a Boots order in and now it's not going to be here till the 3rd of October, which is obviously mid-holiday. I have tried to cancel it, so I'm going to have to go to Boots in Kingsbridge and hope that they've got some stuff that I need for holiday. The main thing that I just really need is a mascara. I know they've been lifted, but I just don't have a mascara. Basically, I've got one. It's like so clumpy. I've been adding micellar water to it for weeks. I could get that at the airport regularly, but we're flying from Exeter and there's a duty free and a WH Smith. The WH Smith doesn't open till 6 a.m. and that's when we'll be boarding the flight, so that ain't happening. I have to get the stuff that I need today, otherwise I'll have to get it out there. So I got the next suitcase out, which is this smaller one, and I'm going to pack some clothes into it, the stuff that arrived yesterday, and then see where we go from here. Let's pack. I think I'm going to leave it here for a bit and go to the shops because I'd rather have everything here and then organise it from there rather than like half organising, half not. Done a full Boots shop. The only sun cream that they had left is this, and thankfully I really like this one. They only had 2 bottles of the last sun cream. Everything else is like Boots own, and I don't like Boots own sun cream. I got my mascara. I've got a couple of other bits and bobs like deodorant and stuff that is very annoyingly already ordered online. I'm gonna fill the car full of fuel. Drop some stuff off at someone's house and then let's go. I'm sat on the floor surrounded by suitcases. It's on here, pile of clothes. We packed and now we're on second pack because we're 10 kilograms over at this point. Remember, we do bring stuff like DJ decks and camera equipment and stuff, which always adds extra weight. So now I've got to effectively get 10 kilograms out of here or take some stuff in hand luggage. So I'm going to see what I can get out because that's what I said, I pack and then I repack. Is the stuff that I don't really need. Just wanted to really quickly check in and say that we are packed. It is currently 8:15 and we're going to bed. I've done everything on my list. This evening I VT'd, I salt scrubbed, I did my nails. I've never done them before, so let's not judge these people. Very first ever gel experience. I definitely messed some of them up. I don't know if you can see this one, but it is not good. Yeah, I think I've done everything on my list. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I know it's been like long and chatty and a bit different to normal. We got ready for Ibiza. I'm gonna film while we're there. Ready to go, honey? Oh, I might just put the dogs next door.
No, it wasn't happy.
I'll see you later in the week for another video.